Hello friend, I want to show you how to use Session app. It is a private messenger, highly decentralized, and it gives you all the privacy that you want. So come with me, let me show you how it works. So come here, it is very simple. Type Session in Play Store, Session private messenger. So then click on install. Okay, this is it. It has over 10,000 reviews, and over, I think, about 4.6 ratings out of 5. So it means that people are saying a lot of good stuff about it. It works pretty much like WhatsApp. It doesn't restrict you. It requires no phone number. It requires no email. It just work with your public keys. So let me show you. It is really simple. Okay, for the fact that it is using public keys does not mean that it is difficult to use. So the first step is to install it on your phone. Then you open it like this. You can see it doesn't take much time. So if you have an existing account and you have private keys, so you just click on I have an account. It requires for the keys, the recovery password, you put it there, then you're able to restore your account back if you have an existing account. So but if you want to create a new account, create an account here. Let's say the display name, for instance, is Ijakadi Trading Algorithm. All right, you can add emoji to it if you want. You can use, let's say, okay, you can use an emoji like this one. Then click on continue. All right, always select fast mode for notification, because if you do not select this, several days you may not receive notification via Session. All right, so make sure you're on fast mode. Then click on continue, because if there's a group message you want to receive notification in real time, or if there's a private message, or if there's a phone call you want to receive notification in real time, so allow notifications here, allow it. Okay, so if you want to, there is already a recovery password created for us, but for the sake of this video I will not reveal this particular one, okay, to keep it private. So but if you want to back it up, which is what I always advise, click on continue right here, then back it up, write it somewhere so that you don't lose your accounts at all. So now let us now search. You can search for other people on the platform. You can even send messages to yourself, like you save messages to yourself. You can say hello. You say that to yourself. You can keep a lot of information right here. It will be stored on the blockchain. I say now. So let me go back. So you click on plus, then click on new message. You can create a group if you want. Maybe you have a couple of contacts on the platform. You can create a group for yourself, for your friends, your family members. But this time around, you can even invite people. Okay, if I want to invite you now, okay, this is my username. I'll just copy it and share across social platforms. Say, okay, you know what? Use this number to add me up on Session. Use this number to chat me up on Session. I get it now. So you can copy it. This is your ID. You can see it is private. It's not username. It's not email. It's not phone number. So people need to have this so they can search for you. So come here, click on plus, new message. So let me send a message to my alternative number. So I'll come here. I have it already. I have it somewhere. Let me just paste it. So that's been pasted now. So next is to click on continue. All right. So you can say hi to this person. Hi. It will be sent. All right. It will be sent to this person. Okay. And it has been sent already. So I will reply. I will accept this. I will accept to be the friend. I will accept the request. Okay. You can see your message request has been accepted. And I will say hello. I will reply back with this number. Hello. All right. So with that, if I want, I can send the voice notes. I'll just allow it. I can send a voice note. I can send GIF documents, images, video. I can send. It just pretty much work like WhatsApp. I can even call this person. Look at it. I can even call Abimbola. Okay. So you can enable the voice under permission. So you can go to settings. Now, you can go to settings. So you say permission. If you want to be able to like call, where is it again? Appearance, privacy here. Okay. So you can lock voice call, enable voice call. Okay, enable it. You can, so people can call you. You can also call people. Okay, require fingerprints. You can allow that. Okay. Community message, allow message requests from community conversations. Yes, it means that people can send you DM in a group chat if you allow it. Okay. Read receipts, allow. Typing indicators so that they can see that you are typing, allow. Send link previews, allowed. Okay. So you can allow all of these things. So if you go back to it now, and let's say now go back to Abimbola to chat him up, so we can call him. You can see. Yes, you can call him. So you can call him. If the network is strong enough, it will go through. Let's wait a little bit more to see. Okay. On this other line, I need to also go to permission and enable voice calls. Enable voice calls is now here. Okay. So enable voice call. So all right. Allow notifications for calls. Yeah, nice one. Nice, nice. Okay, okay, nice one. So I'm gonna cut it now. Try the call again. Let me call him again. You can see it is ringing. Can you hear it now? It is ringing. So if I shall set the call, now look at it. This is how to use the session app. You know, like I promised you that the video is going to be so short. Okay, this is how to use it. So when you have the app, I'll send you my ID, my public keys. Copy that ID, okay, and use it to send me a message. Click on plus, okay, new message, and paste my ID here. So once you send me a message or session, I will add you to Jakadi community instantly. Okay, or whichever community you want to belong to. Is it Crypto community you want? Is it Memcoin you want? Is it Jakadi you want? Is it, you know? So you have access to the community. You'll be invited to those communities in real time. So, like I said, I want this video to be short. I don't want it to be long. And this is just like less than 10 minutes. Everything has been delivered. If you have any question, leave it in the comments below. Let me know. Okay, let me know. If you have any issue whatsoever, let me know. So it's not different from what you can even change your icon. Like for instance, now I can change this icon to, let me say, let me go to my phone. Okay, so image like this. Okay, so is it collections like this? Yeah, this is the image for Jakadi. All right, so then it's okay like that, isn't it? So I think it's okay. It looks really fine. Save it. Can you see now? So you can also change your image, okay, to reflect your personality in your DP. Also, make sure that you're using your real name that I'm familiar with on WhatsApp when you are creating your account. So if your name is Bola, let us put Bola there. If you know you as Valentine, your name should be Valentine or Charles. Okay, don't use a name that people are not familiar with on WhatsApp, because it is like an alternative to WhatsApp. Are you getting it now? So that is it. Wish you a happy experience while using a decentralized platform like this. Okay, it is free, it is private, it is so amazing.